The Leica BLK360 is a compact imaging laser scanner that uses a 360 laser distance meter and high-definition panoramic imaging to create a 3D point cloud of the space around it. LiDAR technology captures 360,000 points per second, 3 spherical panoramic HDR cameras with a thermal imaging camera deliver 3D point clouds with millimeter accuracy in minutes. A LiDAR scanner creates an accurate and detailed digital record of real-world space and objects. Combining this with BIM models and data, an accurate digital twin can be developed. "3D scans can be used to keep a record of in-progress work, mapping and overlaying changes as a job develops. The BLK360 is small, compact and easy to deploy on-site or in restricted spaces. Laser scanning improves quality and accuracy of site information. Scanning is also fast, efficient and cheaper than other forms of project mapping. The Craftbot Flow IDEX XL printer has one of the largest print volumes of its kind. Large-scale FDM printing allows quick and accurate prototyping of industrial-scale objects. IDEX technology allows reliable dual extrusion, running 2 independent printheads. 2 different materials can be preloaded to allow multi-property objects, bicolor items, or objects with PVA support. With this large volume printer, you can not only print large objects, but can also duplicate your performance by printing 2 objects at the same time, in mirror or parallel mode. Available through the Make It Smart Hub, SMEs can access this technology to enhance their current R&D processes, test new opportunities, or create custom unique objects at point of need. This equipment was procured for and made available through the Make It Smart Hub for SMEs in the Highlands and Islands.